by Ubaba Brighton Ndebele, who is here amongst us today, onguye guest of honor. Umama, Mrs. Novuyo Matonsi, who is the CEO, Regional Manager of Zimbabwe Tourism Authority, esilaye amongst us here. Our host, Umama, uSipho Mazibuko, representatives of women's organizations here present today, the youth's invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to you. It is my singular honor and privilege to be here this afternoon at the launch of the return of Miss Rural and the introduction of Rural Zimbabwe. Miss Rural Zimbabwe was founded in 2003 and was last held in 2006. This pageant aims to uplift the lives of youths so that, like their urban peers, they actively participate in development programs. The Miss Rural Zimbabwe will be running for the very first time. Thank you, Comrade Tsvarai Mazibuko, for this initiative which seeks to expose, showcase, and empower hidden talent. Ladies and gentlemen, pageants are celebrated all over the globe, and the benefits of participating in such a contest are innumerable. Pageants provide a great platform to communicate one's thoughts and ideas. Gone are the days when pageants were only about beauty. In today's world, the most valuable aspect of pageantry is the positive influence and inspiration it brings. Nowadays, people look up to pageant participants as influencers and role models. Such contests pave the way for the participants to promote their advocacies. These advocacies may be about protection of environment, anti-bullying, empowerment, education, promoting fitness and wellness, and above all, pageants bring happiness